Most creators don't have an income problem, they have a dependency problem. One platform, one revenue stream, one algorithm change away from losing everything. Hi, this is Upgrowth's YouTube channel, and at Upgrowth, we look at creator businesses very differently, not as content engine, but as revenue system. And this tool helps you build exactly that. It shows you how diversified your income actually is and where you are overexposed. Here's how it works. You input your current audience and income streams, and the tool gives you a diversification health score. It breaks things down into your concentration risk, your platform dependency, your passive income ratio, and overall revenue stability. Let us quickly get into it. So, you fill up your primary platform where you want to track the diversification, then the total audience size for all platforms. Let's say I have a 2 lakh follower audience. So, I've just added that. Sorry, I'm a bit bad at maths. Yeah. Current monthly revenue, let's say it is in dollars, it is. So, let's say 5,000. And the current revenue sources as well. Let's say ad revenue, sponsorship, digital projects, sorry, products, and the creator niche. Let's say food. Target monthly revenue, which I'm targeting, I am at 5,000. So let me target $10,000. Risk tolerance, let's say moderate. Time available, I can give 12 hours. Investment budget for new stream, I can invest up to 2000. So I've added my details. Now I will click on analyze and create plan. Now this has built a revenue health score for me. Diversification score is 80. So concentration risk is 33%. It gives me a passive income ratio. Platform dependency and the revenue stability is strong. It indicates as per my inputs. It gives you specific revenue opportunities to unlock as well. Here you can find like through affiliate marketing I can earn up to $2,500. Licensing and syndication I can earn up to $2,000. Merchandise, membership, coaching and consulting, and there are different revenue growth scenarios as well. So if I take the conservative path, I can earn up to 6,000 monthly, then 8,700, and the aggressive 12,100. And it also provides me a 90-day action plan. So I have month 1, month 2, month 3, and some resources as well. So instead of thinking how do I make more from this platform, you start thinking how do I build income that survives beyond the platforms. Because the strongest creators today aren't just growing audience, they're building resilient revenue systems. Run your numbers through this once and you'll immediately see where you are too dependent and where your next growth lever is. Meanwhile, check out social media tools page on upgrowth.in.